core of our holdings are Santo Tomas and will remain the core of our holdings and be our focus as we move into pre-feasibility study there. Our partner on Santo Tomas has held the Vainilla concession for an extensive period of time. It's always been on our radar screen to get to at the appropriate time. It is not possible to stake new ground in Mexico currently. And so we've finally done this transaction, an option on the Vainilla project, where we believe we see significant evidence for another porphyry intrusive center. And included with that are replacement features commonly associated with porphyries, such as at Santo Tomas, where we see the La Reforma and a couple of other adjacent smaller mining operations that are in the replacement deposits with zinc, gold, silver, etc. So we're seeing those things at Vainilla. And there's been some historical government survey excavations, one excavation of over 100 meters into the hillside at a showing at Vainilla, which we visited yesterday. And I have to say, exceeded what I anticipated we would see. And so the challenge before us is to sort of isolate where the center of that system might be, what's causing mineralization to precipitate, and to see if we can hunt down the potential porphyry center. There have been mapped monzonites and some porphyritic monzonites on the property. We'll be looking for quartz enrichment similar to Santo Tomas, but a very large system. And fortuitously, the existing claim encompasses almost all those known showings. So we're thrilled and really, can't wait to get our teeth into it. We believe that the exploration will be well priced because we have exposure at surface. We're going to be able to map it out, and I think we're going to be able to drill some compelling test holes and begin to learn about the true potential of the project. So we believe we're sitting on a northerly trend, Baharachi, Santo Tomas, and potentially Vainilla. And this is not uncommon in the volcanic centers that generate the porphyries, the intrusive centers, that they're roughly equidistant between mineralized occurrences. So whilst that is something of a rule of thumb, this particular situation at Vainilla fits nicely into that rule of thumb with some very nice showings of the replacement and explosive and hydrothermal breccia deposits. So scale is right, location is right, and we're just very, very fortunate to be able to option the property from our partner, Don Ubaldo Treviso. So I think it is a little bit of a little string of pearls, and hopefully we have another one of the pearls at the south end of it.